Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DNN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the pullback on this one continues, so certainly some updates need to be made here as we head into Friday. First update that needs to be made just comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, and that states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So this is now going to be the newest area of resistance. I'm actually going to adjust that upwards just a tad now that I have more data. And $1.37 now going to be that key near-term area of resistance, meaning if this upwards, because right now you got to give credit, there is a little bit of a bounce here. So if this upwards bounce continues and works its way back upwards, that's where the big question mark resides. It's not necessarily can the price get back up to $1.35, but more importantly, can the price actually break above it and stay above it? So you're going to want to keep a very close eye on that, as that'll be, a very revealing level in terms of just how strong or kind of weak any sort of bounce is. I mean, if the price gets up there and blasts right through it, well, then at that point, it's more than rational to say, okay, yeah, wow, this bounce is very strong. The bulls are back. But if the price gets up there and then starts to tiptoe around, at that point, yeah, I'd be a little bit more skeptical of whether or not the bounce has any sort of legitimate power behind it. So that'll be a very helpful level to watch moving forward. As far as next key areas of support are concerned, next level to watch initially just going to simply be where the bleeding stopped today, and that was at the $1.22 mark. And then if the price drops below $1.22, next key level would be that gap close location down there around the $1.10 mark. So those are going to be the main technical levels to watch moving forward into Friday. So yeah, the overall pullback continues, but the overall trend is still in the bulls' favor. And as long as the price ultimately builds a higher base, that's what matters most. So let's see how this one closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.